zucchini pasta, grilled tomatoes, chickpea and rice rissoles. Prepare the ingredients. Finely chop 1 clove of garlic, finely chop 1 onion, chop 1 handful of parsley. Heat a pan over a high heat. Add half a cup of pine nuts and toast. When the nuts become aromatic and golden, remove from the heat. Add the onion and garlic into the pan. When they start to colour, add a little water to deglaze the pan. Cook until the water has evaporated. Add a little more water and cook until the onions are soft. Then remove from the heat. Add 1 cup of chickpeas to a bowl. Add 1 cup of brown rice to a bowl. Mash with your hands until the chickpeas are crushed. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable stock powder. Add the cooked onions, add the chopped parsley and mix well. Roll the mixture into balls. Heat a pan over a high heat. Add the rissoles. Turn the rissoles when brown on one side. Keep turning the rissoles to brown on each side. When the rissoles are brown on all sides, turn off the heat and remove from the pan and set aside. Spiralize 4 zucchinis. Chop 1 cup of cherry tomatoes in half. Heat a frying pan over a high heat. Add the cherry tomatoes, cut side down. When brown on one side, remove from the pan. Add the zucchinis. Add a quarter of a cup of water. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Add a handful of spinach leaves. Add the pine nuts. Remove from the heat. Then toss. Add the tomatoes and serve on a plate with the rissoles.